Got the unit out of the chassis, the RS 12,000 BTU. Still got plastic. I'm not sure what year it is, but it's a big unit. It's got a big tubes here. And all that paper, whatever that is. Okay. It's got 2 rows of big tubes here, 3 rows of big tubes here, metal here. It's still got a plastic condenser fan, so it's not that old, but still I think it's from the 80s. I gotta find a date code on her somewhere. RS, air conditioner unit. Maybe one of y'all can let me know on YouTube what year this thing is or when they were manufactured. Cause I'm not sure. Got a indentation here, indentation there, but these are big, thick tubes. I think it'll be okay. It happened when I put it on the truck and was moving it over. Big old rotary compressor. It is a Samsung compressor, R22. 115 volts. The schematic. I'm not seeing any dates on it, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure what date it is. I want to say mid-80s on this unit. Samsung motor. I don't know if that's for 81 or what. Looks like it might be from 81 because of the date code on the motor right here. Could be from 81. Well, I'm going to show another video when I get it in the window. But that might be tomorrow, another day. Because it's dark and people want to go to sleep tonight. So next time I come over, I'll get a video of it, front and back, during the day.